bawat butil ng kanyang makinang na dalang
at gusto
pasigan,
itong agawin.
ang bawat patak ng kanyang asul na karagatang,
Hindi tayo pumayag.
kayamanan natin ang
We have an MDT with the U.S. We have a treaty with the U.S. We cannot turn our back on that treaty in the same way that Australia and New Zealand cannot turn their back. Something that happened 20 years ago should not decide permanently how we should handle our relationship today. That was the past.
Subalit sumalakay tayong Amerikano.
Apparently, medyo lenient ang police ngayon and it's Independence Day.
Well, nakatulong siguro kasama natin sa marcha si former Senator Sagisag. May kasama tayo mga incumbent at former lawmakers, mga cultural activists, no? So, makita naman na ito, laban to ng mamamayan. Hindi naman tama na supilin pa ito ng mga kapwa nating Pilipino na naka-uniforme. Sana nga, dapat laging ganyan, ginagalang yung karapatan nating makapagpahayag, tsaka madepensa natin yung bayan natin.
Sir, assessment.
Today's protest has been fairly successful. We had the biggest mass action so far in front of the Chinese embassy. No, more than 1,000 people protested against China's incursion. Nationwide din po yung protesta natin. Though we have received reports sa Kawit, may 13 inaresto. Sa Iloilo, dinisperse yung rally kasabay ng talumpati ng Pangulo. No? Pero gayon pa man, kahit na may panunupil, paninikil, tuloy-tuloy yung laban and maganda yung ating pagmamarka ng Araw ng Kalayaan ngayon.
Meron tayong total deployment na 200 personnel dito sa US Embassy. Combination na yun ng RPSB at NPD personnel natin. Not necessarily na maluwag, we're just doing our job. And andyan kami for the security CDM operation. At so far mag-peaceful yung activity.